Yeah! Nice! Oh, that's good. What is up, guys? It's Ben from Theme Park Groupie. I just got off of Phoenix Rising for the first time. I really do love this trend of these family coasters coming up that are actually still really fun and really thrilling. I just did Penguin Trek last week and it's also an amazing ride. I really wasn't expecting another family coaster to actually be super fun, but it really isn't too crazy. It's just a lot of elements to it that makes it really enjoyable. I really do appreciate you always watching my videos. If you did like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.